Hey guys, I'm just here with an update for day 19 through 22. We went out to the property and we had the electricity hooked up. So we've decided we're going to be cheaters for a little while and we're going to hook the electricity up. Eventually we're going to get solar, so we will show you how we do that. I don't know how soon that's going to be, but in the meantime we decided to go ahead and do electricity because it's already there, and because, you know, we're an hour from a decent store, so we really need to have refrigeration and things like that, and to buy all of the things to be off the grid to do that is going to be more expensive than just hooking up the electricity to start out with. So we went ahead and hooked up the electricity. We figured out how to get our water working. It comes from the spring at the back of the property via some gravity fed tubing. We got all of that hooked up and working. Our neighbor helped us out with that. She shares the spring. We unpacked some basic essentials. And what else do? We figured out all of the electric. We figured out all the breakers. We went ahead and installed a washer and a dryer. And we put some new lighting in, which made a big difference inside of the cabin. I guess it's a building really, because it's concrete block. But it looks nicer because you can have light to actually see, and the lighting looks nicer, but the walls are still terrible. So we're going to do the inside of the building during the winter. We're going to concentrate on the outside this summer. So on our next trip there, I think we're going to try to jack up the back bedroom and do some outdoor painting and kind of revamp the outside of the building while the weather's nice. And then we'll go ahead and work on the inside during the colder months. So the washer and dryer went in, we installed new lighting. We started working on getting internet hookup out there, but it's fiber optic, and there was something wrong with one of the pods that are like out away from the house, so they had to get a separate crew to do that, and we didn't have enough time to wait. So hopefully when we go back, that will be up and working completely. We mowed a little bit, we cleaned up some trash, and the biggest part of all is we went ahead and we had the Conex delivered. So there were some driveway concerns with the delivery of the Conex, but that finally got taken care of, and they were able to get the Conex up the driveway. And we had our first rainstorm with the metal roof, which was crazy loud. So I have a couple videos of things that we did and some pictures, so I'm going to put that together into a video montage for you to enjoy right now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and the bell for notifications. So enjoy the video of what we did on days 19 through 22.